ground beef roll with egg, an easy and delicious recipe. For this recipe, let's start by grating 1 onion and 1 carrot. Tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Now in a bowl, add 24 ounces of ground beef, the onion, chives, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, and stir. After that, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix again. To continue, grease baking paper with olive oil. And add some of the ground beef. Even it out and make it into a rectangle. Also add the carrot and spread it. Then add 4 hard-boiled eggs and place the rest of the ground beef around them. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So write in the comments, "I love beef roll." Now close the roll carefully with the baking paper, and then with the aluminum foil. You guys, this roll is very easy to make and is super delicious. I'm sure everyone in your family will like the result. And finally, bake it in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Now you just have to enjoy it. Look how wonderful it is. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.